everyone. As you all know, today is we're holding a quick meeting to discuss about how's going with your work at the front desk. I hope it will give us a better understanding on where we are and how we improve. Mr. Johns, would you like to begin?
Thank you, Lori. Alright, everyone. I just want to tell you that thanks for coming tonight. And I just want to quickly go over to you that I want to ask about the policy of the front desk. And more importantly, I'd love to hear each of you any issues about or challenges you may be facing on your daily work. Let's start with the basics. How's everything going on your end, David? I'll start with you. How's everything on your issues about your check-ins and guest complaints?
Well, everything's been pretty smooth, Sir John. I've had a couple minors issues with guest requests, like needing an extra towel or toiletries, but nothing's major. I've been resolving this pretty well.
It's good to hear, David. But what about the system? Have you had any challenges about the software or check-ins procedures?
Actually, yes, sometimes the system has not been trying to crash the booking and it takes longer than usual. It's not a big problem, but it was a little delay.
Noted. We'll definitely look into that and see if we can streamline that process. Thanks for being here. Now, Lance, how about you? Anything that's been standing out to you lately? Guest interactions, concerns, or other issues you've been facing?
Honestly, the guest interaction have been fun. Most guests are happy with their room, and if they have a question, they will and they easy to help. And my main issue is with the night shift. Sometimes we don't have enough staff to cover the entire front desk area when it's busy. And it can really overwhelming to the staff, especially during peak hours.
I see. Staffing levels can definitely make a difference. I'll make sure we look into scheduling and see if we can adjust accordingly to have not an understaffed. But how about the managed worker? Do you feel afraid or do you need any support? Any additional support? Do you think we need in our workplaces?
I think it's manageable. If we have one extra person in visit hours, especially when we attend check-ins and the phone calls at the same time.
Alright then. We'll take that into consideration. Now, Charles, you've been handling the late night arrivals and meeting concerns, right? How's that going? Any hiccups or anything you think needs attention?
Actually, sir, I have few BB disparities lately some guests. I have been charged incorrectly for amenities or extra, charged weren't explained properly and checked in. It's mostly due to how to charge our entertainment system, but because of common complaint.
Billing issues can definitely be a headache. I'll make sure we look into the system to double check and make sure how system can be implemented. Especially when late night and it most likely are probably mistakes too. Have you been able to resolve the issues on the spot or have guests to call you the next day? Yes, Aaron, do you want to say something?
Yes, I'd like to say, me and Charles could fix most of the right away, but some guests will end up calling the next day for clarification. It's more about making sure we explain that charge clearly during checks. But the system will definitely be a bit more intuitive.
Yeah. I'll make a note to discuss the system with the tech team and see if there are updates we can improve and we can implement. Your communication with the guests is definitely So to recap, we got a few areas to focus on. The system laggings during the check-ins, the during support when there's a big hours, and billing discrepancies. I think we can address all of this. Does anyone have any additional concerns or before we wrap up, anything we missed?
One more thing, if you have any suggestion or ideas about how we improve even further, we're happy to hear that.
Maybe we could have a weekly refreshes of the system features, especially for the late night shift.
That's right. It would be helpful to make sure everyone on the same page, particularly with some of the more advanced functions.
And maybe a checklist and guidelines for VCRs, and for keeping one thing in organized.
I agree with both. A system represented on checklist would definitely help us work more efficiently.
Great suggestions. I'll organize a refresher session for everyone, and we'll also put together a checklist for VCRs. Thanks for your input, everyone. I really appreciate your feedback. Alright, that's all for now. Let's make these changes, keep improving, and thank you for coming and